I don't think I've shot a video of Rick and his little girl. It's just going to do a couple of loops around the pattern. The Texas Tornado. Auto gyros are so cool. Not quite as cool as a helicopter, but the next best thing. And Rick is amazing. Tens of thousands of hours. Commercial pilot, crop sprayer, fixed wing, rotary. He had a Kit Fox until recently, and then this, and he's getting a 2-seat gyro. As soon as he gets it, I'll be in there with him. This thing takes off in no distance and also lands in no distance. This time we're doing something a little crafty though. I want him to leave the ground and land at a particular fixed spot, because I'm using this video to cut with another video that I'm doing for a particular purpose, but I won't say what it is because it's very funny. And you will see it soon. So he gets the blade up to 320, I think. When it's at 300 plus, hard on the brakes, full throttle, and then he lets go of the drive for the blades, lets go of the brakes, and then it's all about thrust. Pulls hard back on the cyclic. You can see the rotor disc tilting hard back. You can hear that it's probably at full speed now. There you go. So he lets go of the drive for that, and full power. So this time I've asked him if he can do as low a pass as possible. Asked him if he thinks he can do it, then 4 feet off the ground. So he's coming down, and I tell you what, that is not too far off 4 feet. Wow. Yep, I'd say he got that exactly on. And there's a reason for that too, which will be self-evident in the video. So this time he's coming in for a landing. And I asked him if he thinks he can land at the same spot he took off from. Which was about, no, it was a little further. I think he's doing low pass again. Yes, he's doing a second low pass because he thinks he might not have got low enough, I bet, on the previous one. Cuts the power. Wow, you can hear that rotor chopping. He's got quite a long taxi. He's got to make sure he don't go too fast. Rotor's still turning, might take off, but no, not really. If the rotor's not above, I think he said a couple of hundred, there's no way it would take off, and of course it's not. It's about 20, so he's safe taxiing at whatever speed he wants. Sounds good, looks good.